Friends, today I'm going to discuss about the static chart representation using Angular 7, and we can represent chart in different way using Angular 7, and here is the way we can do that. First, to do that chart, you have to represent x-axis. Here I have represented week 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and for the workout session, and the y-axis I have shown the calorie burn for walk, run, and boxing, and the walk I have represented with the red color, and run with the blue color, and the boxing with the green color. Okay, here uh, in the router app I have using router app in the Angular 7, and here you see that app routing.module.ts. Here I have mentioned mapping it for profile. It will represent for the profile component, and inside the profile component what I have done, I have instantiated the chart, and inside that chart I have mentioned that type as a bar here, and data I have represented. Label is the x-axis, and the data sets, here's the multiple data is the JSON format data. Okay, here is the static data I have provided. It's a label as a data, and there is a label for that y-axis as a calorie burn during work session, and the data, this is the data. Okay, 2,7, this is the one data, and the another record is that calorie burn during run, and here I have mentioned that ID as a bar workout chart. Okay, and here also canvas ID is a bar workout chart. And now let's see how it look like the workout chart. Here if you make it like localhost 4200/profile, it will create the bar chart. Okay, and as I have mentioned, x-axis as week 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have made three things, right, for run, for walk, and for boxing. Okay, and three things is represented with three different. For example, for walk I have represented the red color. Here you see calorie burn during walk, label, it's represented with the red color, others are the different color, run and boxing. So this way we can represent that. Okay, and let me see the code itself, and here that code is that's in the routing. You see that I have mentioned profile as a profile component, and that means this, if you hit that 4200/profile, it will hit that profile component. Okay, inside the profile you will find .css, HTML, and the TS. Okay, TypeScript. In the TypeScript, what you have to mention, that you have to import the chart first. Okay, and in the profile component you have to declare the variable. Here is the I have mentioned for the bar workout chart, what I have shown for the uh, bar itself, and other chart, line chart, other simple bar chart, pie chart. And here when you are accessing that profile component, it will automatically instantiated ng on init, since we are on init interface. It's overriding it's implemented, so it will automatically invoke, right? So from here it's invoke the this dot show workout uh, bar chart, so this function will be invoked. And here you see that inside this function, uh, this is the length of this entire thing. Okay, here since it's a static representation, so it's that much. Otherwise this amount of data is coming from, anyway, coming from the JSON itself. I have made it statically. Okay, but you have to write this amount of code, like border color red I have mentioned here. Here border color as a red, and the second one I have made the border color as a blue, and here you see that y-axis for this calorie burnt. okay, and it's for the green. Okay, this is entirely for the uh, entirely for this is actually title should be bar chart. Okay, it's not line, and display as a true, and here I have mentioned scale. Okay, same thing I have and here you see fill as a true. Okay, fill as a true. If I make fill as a false, how it look like? Okay, let's see how it look like for the particular section. See only the blue section. Let's see how it look like. Fill as a false. So you see that if I make it as a false, it will not uh, showing that it's filling. Otherwise, other sections is the filled, and this section is not filled. Okay, and similar thing right here is the line chart also. I have shown the same thing, right? Line chart also, just type here what I have mentioned, type as a bar. Okay, it's not for that id you can give anything. Okay, abcd like that, but the type, if instead of bar if you mention that type as a line, it will show as a line chart. Okay, here I have taken uh, sold in month, number of sold by, so I have two item in the y-axis. Okay, let's see how it look like. So this is that month, and y-axis is a number of items sold. Red color is sold in month and sold by Rabi. And one thing I have make which one is blue, it's you see that field is a true. That's the reason it's a field, and other one is filled as a false, so you don't see that it's a covered. So this way you can compare the different results. And same thing is another bar chart. Okay, uh, here the x-axis you see that label as the red, blue, yellow, green, and here in the label you see that number of voter. Okay, it's a number of voters. Okay, number of votes. So for red how much vote, so it's a polling machine. Blue how much vote, yellow how much vote, and everywhere I have made uh, background color. So background color it's accordingly done, and it's the same thing here. You see that type as a bar, and line chart type as a line, and here in for the pie chart type as a pie. Okay, uh, let's see how it looks like in the pie chart. Okay, here you see that is the poll result. uh, you see that color, red color is there is a no kind of x-axis, y-axis, so it will show that label and the data set. Okay, that's all for the chart reads presentation. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much.